Welcome to Technical Document and Presentation online course with me, Evo Prestia Kusuma. In this course, I would like to give you an introduction how to create a neat document using Microsoft Word. This online course consists of 4 parts. The first part is learn how to deal with the headings and styles, and the second one will be make table of content, followed by make list of figure, and the last one will be how to make list of table. First of all, you need to open your Microsoft Word and make sure you open the exercise document. The exercise document will be able to be downloaded in the websites, or you can ask your class leader to give it to you. As you can see here, that the document consists of 2 parts. The first part is the cover page, and then the second part is the body of the document. There is no table of content here, and that is your task here to create the table of content. Okay, before we going any further, I'm going to explain you what is styles about in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, in the menu there is a styles here, and what is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and etc. So basically, styles is some sort of formatting of a document. And what kind of formatting? It will be easier for me to explain by the example here. So as you can see here, there's a chapter, subchapter, and sub-subchapter over here, and each part of it have different font. So for the chapter, it consists of bigger and bolder font, while the subchapter is smaller and normal, looks like a normal one, and even getting smaller as you go deeper to the subchapter. Here in Microsoft Word, we're going to have heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. Usually, we're going to use heading 1 as a chapter over here, and then heading 2 as a subchapter over here, and heading 3 as a subchapter over here. And if you have like 4th level of subchapter, then you can just add it here. Okay, so that's it. So styles apply a different type of font, colors, bold, styles, and position, and everything like that into the text. And I'll give you another example here. So this is a little bit more complex document. It consists of caption, and then subheadings, and then body of the text. So look at here that the caption have different font. With the normal one, it consists of italic font, while the normal one it doesn't. So obviously in Microsoft Word it consists of different style. So the caption have caption style here, and then subheading here, it consists of subheading style here, while the normal it have normal style. So that's it. So that's all about styles. And what is it to do with us? So what is it to do with our document? So all we need to do is applying styles to our document. So here we have something that's supposed to be a chapter. So instead of we change it manually like this, all you need to do is just apply headings or styles here. Just select it and then click heading, and voila, it's changed. And we change the objective kuliah lapangan also into heading 1, and then continue to kondisi geology, heading 1, aktivitas kuliah, heading 1, the first day will be heading 2, and this is the 3rd heading, and then goes to 3rd heading, 3rd heading, 3rd heading, 2nd heading, 3rd heading, and then this goes to 3rd heading, and the last part, and the last part is heading number 1. Okay, so we applied headings, styles in our headings here. So why does it matter? Why don't we change it manually? So basically, if you apply styles on your text, you can see here, if you select the main body of the text here, the normal style will be highlighted. But if you select the chapter here, the heading will be selected. It means that if you have different styles here, the highlighted item, the highlighted style will be different. Okay. So look at here, the first part is heading 1, and then if I select this one, it consists of heading 1 too. So it means that latar belakang and objective lapangan consists of the same heading, the same style. So if I change the style over here, it will apply to all of the things that consist of heading 1. Okay, if I change it here, modify, if I change the color into red, for example, so everything will change into red. Okay, and if I change it into yellow, it changes into yellow too. And that's the way how to modify your style. And there is another way to change your style too. The way is like select your text first, and then put any style, any color do you want, and you can also change it to bold, change your font, for example, yeah, just like this. And after you select it and then you change your font and etc., you can just right click over here and then update heading 1 to match selection. Look at the text over here, it will change too. So basically it changed all the things that has been assigned to it. Okay, and also you can, if you want to make a document with indentation like this, you can also apply the indentation into the normal style. For example, like make a little bit indentation in one paragraph here and use this as a template. After that, you select the text here, right click on here and update the normal to match selection. And what happened there is like all the text here will have indentation. So that's the very first part of the document here. Okay.